Hey guys, it's AquarioHD again, and we got another epic unboxing of the Beyblade Shogun BeyWarriors. So we're gonna open, and this is Griffen, the eagle, and I forgot the guy's name, the orange eagle. And it's supposed to be battled in the Octagon Shogun battle set, which I'm gonna get later on in the near future. And yeah, so this is Griffen. I'll probably have a lot more unboxing of the new Shogun Beyblade and the BeyWarriors. So let's open it. Alright. So this is a collectible card. Griffen. I'll just wipe this stuff out. So it said that you can actually customize them, which is pretty cool. So I might do that in the future. This is the whip cord. I'll be showing you how to launch them with that. There is no launcher. All you have to do is just launch them. So this is the BeyWarrior. This is the tip. So it's called range attack. This is range. So it actually spins this. You just spin it. It spins. This thing spins a little bit. So I think it does. So it just attacks it with its awesome wings, like whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. So yeah, the instruction sheet. Let's see what it is. Trained warrior weapon positions for different battle actions, and that's how you launch it. You just hold it, you put it through it, and then you launch it. And then you let go. When you hold it, you let go. So I can do it. I can do an example in the BB-10 stadium right now. So this is the collectible card. Collectible range attack. RA. So it's BeyWarriors 12. That's the code. You can get it. I don't really play Beyblade.battle.com anymore. So, so this is how it works. You actually put the launcher here. Nope, don't do it on. Oops. Okay, this is pretty hard. Okay, there. So you put it here, and you let go. That is awesome. So basically that's how they spin and they attack with those wings. They're pretty cool. I mean, I think better than BeyWarriors, but whatever. So basically you just hold it and you let go. Let me do a demonstration in the BB-10 stadium. So let's do a battle between Phoenix. Let's just launch it first. That's pretty cool.
Let's just launch it. That's pretty cool.
and a little battle between my little favorite babe Well, yeah, I know it sucks, but of course BeyWarriors is gonna lose. So let's try that again. Then you enter it inside here. Oops. Okay, this is not right. Launch it. Ha, that's so awesome. That is awesome. Oh my god, what? Okay, Aquario wins. So yeah, that's how you launch the. So you just enter the thing launcher and then you hold it when this spins. Oh, it's actually metal or plastic. Feels weird. Anyway, it spins and then you let go to let it spin and you can actually customize it. Like you go like this. Like that, doesn't really matter. It's pretty cool. I wanted to have one for Phoenix, but whatever. So this was the unboxing of the BeyWarriors, Archer Griffen, and I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and more epic unboxings of Shogun 2 and BeyWarriors are coming soon. Also of the double packs and the big pack, the battle sets. I am getting the Beyblade Shogun 2 Samurai Cyclone battle set and the BeyWarriors battle set, which include the big octagon battle set, the one that they're supposed to be launching. So thank you for watching, like, comment, subscribe, and this was the unboxing of the Beyblade Shogun 2 BeyWarriors Archer Griffen. I hope you like and you can enjoy that. So yeah. Yeah, my unboxing coming. So yeah, thank you for watching, like, comment, subscribe, and this is the unboxing of this. And I hope to see you again on the next unboxing. And you better like, or he's going to class you.